Welcome back. We'll start with our analysis with Sensex. So during pre-open, I made a short video regarding Sensex expiry, and the discussion made in that video is we'll avoid current expiry options, trade in current expiry options, and also we'll consider buy opportunity at 25,000, 81,600. It didn't hit 81,600, but it came pretty close to 670. So this is, even though if you want to buy, we will make buy only in the next expiry options, not in today's expiry option. That's the plan we made, and at least I stuck to that point and I did the trade accordingly, and I didn't take any trades in the current expiry, that is today's expiry. So and also discussed about the levels, and mentioned that once 950 breaks, 81 950 breaks, we will see 80 to 100 and 80 to 300. So somehow the operator took it to 80 to 100 levels almost at 11:15, and whole day just stayed there. Yeah, it's a part and parcel of option buying strategies. So this kind of expiries come with option expiries. So we have to bear with that. That's the reason on days like this we have to avoid current expiry options, because the resistance is sitting above and the buy is yet to created. It got created only during intraday. So the existing resistance is respected, at least for today's expiry. Okay. Now breakout will be considered above 80 to 300. You have to see how it plays out tomorrow morning. That's in the Friday session. Let's go back to Nifty. There's some strange behavior in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you see, the last candle traded value is at 170, but if you look at daily closing, that's average settlement closing came at 180. That's 10 points higher. The same thing happened in Bank Nifty also. First, we will cover Bank Nifty because it's quite interesting. So let's look at intraday. This came at 56,143 actual traded close, but daily closing came at 56,192. So daily closing is important for us for this trade, because it gave a breakout again, a pullback and a breakout above 156 level. So we might see Bank Nifty continuing its move towards 57k. It will not go alone, it will also track Nifty. So when I say Bank Nifty is an uptrend, so even Nifty also should support. Even though 1 or 2 days it might be lagging, but eventually it will cover the same distance in terms of the percentages. Okay. So what about the trade? When can we take the trade? Okay. Bank Nifty, I think we need to wait for the 56,500 to break. Okay. Whoever taken trades at today's low can hold it and consider the same level as the stop loss. Okay. Next longs can be taken at 56,500 breakout or 56,600 breakout. This is what Bank Nifty says. What about Nifty? Yeah, Nifty quite interesting. Whole day it got stuck in this at a single level 25,150, but towards that it started making days intraday higher highs. So it went all the way till 200. What was the intraday high? 199.25. 200 in touch, but 199.25. So as we discussed, buy on dips is the strategy for positional longs, and for weekly experience we have to wait for 25,225 to break out. So far I didn't enter any of the weekly expiry options, but I'm positioned in a monthly series of almost October, November, December. I'm long at this 25,000 levels. Covered the longs carried from here on this at 200, and again covered those or re-entered in double numbers from the profits I made. So let's hope there will be a breakout about 25,200. So why I'm optimum about bullish breakout is, so we have seen a rise in the long positions. Long level has shifted to 25,030, and it's going good from here. So once 300 350 is broken, we'll see momentum, but till that time we might see a slight zigzag moves, but you have to find out how it goes out. As far as support, 25,030 is a support, and that's the reason I took the long positions for monthly series at this level. I'll wait and watch and see how it plays out towards the end of the month or following.